So you say you had a spirit that was rather angry. What name was that you said?
Not angry, more annoyed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What name was it you said?
John Thurlow.
John Thurlow. Because you said the place went right. I thought that was the room, the way it had been changed, but you said the house.
The whole lot.
Yeah. So from what I hear, there have been two bills.
Yeah.
You got the one at the bottom, you got the really early one, then you got another one top of that castle, and then this one. So there have been three different bills to this.
More than that, I think there's 5 or 6, I think.
Really? Mm-hmm. Interesting. I'd heard, they said downstairs they were saying that there was 3.
You got Norman, you got medieval, you got Charles, Civil War, Restoration, Georgian, Victorian, or Georgian,
Mm-hmm.
or William and Mary, or whatever. Regency. So they've got, yeah, not happy.
So that's obviously
what's weird about that is, if he's here all the time, it seems weird that he'd all be aware of that. God bloody hell.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. Am I allowed to join what you're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. They sent me down, they said it was really good, so I got...
Sorry?
The girl sent me down, because I couldn't hack the case.
So, what was it? Quite strong in there, was it?
Yeah, so I thought I'll come and see what you guys are doing.
It just keeps changing in here. I've had, what, 4 different spirits in here?
Indeed.
No, 5.
Yeah. Amy, Clarence, George. Did you get Edward?
And John.
Did you get the name for the other? Yeah, you said, yeah.
Edward was the one that's blocking using the table. George, who said was the butler. I don't know about Amy.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get her at all.
I picked her up as I came in.
And John was the last one. Clarence was pretty happy.
Yeah. I picked up on that. It's no you're here.
But yeah, something's changing here.
Can you play with the kitty balls? The little round things by the light there. They go all different colours.
Yeah.
Some call it cat balls, but I call them kitty balls because I like kitties.
Yes, if you move it, it will do that.
Yeah.
So if you can do that, that'd be really cool. Or you can go and stand by the little box that has the green light on. See if he makes another colour lights come on.
Yeah, good fun.
Or you can just talk to us directly, or make a noise, move an object. Come and talk to me directly. I'm Richard, as you know.
No, maybe what? Maybe. What sort of things were they getting over there then?
Someone's slithering on the floor.
Sniggering?
Slithering. Acting like a human snake on the floor.
Wow, this is insane.
I can't quite hear what you said.
Sorry, I didn't know if you were... Someone acting like a human snake on the floor.
Human snake?
Yeah, so that's when I left.
So is this a person that one of our...
They said it was a face. And one of the people that were in there, one of the tour guides, Scott, had to be helped out.
Hmm. So it's sort of like possession then. Well.
Yeah, that's not good.
New.
You know what room that was in?
The caves.
Oh, down in the cellars.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
We only had children we were down there.
It said there was a demon down there, but
Well-
well, we don't really believe in demons, do we?
No, exactly.
Probably a naughty spirit, that.
It'd be negative. Well, it'd be negative down there at all, it's just children.
Mm-hmm. So you said someone sort of like as though they were acting like a snake.
Mhm.
Wow. Wow.
K2 just flashed a few. There you go.
Yeah, that was indeed. Well done. Can you let that K2 go up again? The little light box go on again? I keep saying K2. I keep saying, anybody say K2, I'll always say the same thing. I will never know what a K2 is.
Green light. Box with a green light.
Yeah, that's what I always say. I will never know.
That was me.
Mm-hmm. Let's know you're here.
If you want to communicate with us, can you make the light flash again, please?
I seem very quiet all of a sudden.
There's still energy here.
Mm-hmm. So what were you originally in the tunnel vault, were you?
Yeah,
And you come and joined us.
I did.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's rare to get that, but when it does, it can be very disturbing.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen one of the 2 possessions, but not really what you call really nasty. Not really very nasty or anything like that. Certainly not like a snake, making the person act like a snake. That's quite nasty.
Not you see. Ow. Ah!
Oh, you got a banger.
Who are you?
John comes to mind.
Oh God, is he back?
Hmm?
Is he back?
Oh, what the Edward.
No, John.
Yeah, of course we have.
This feels different though.
Did you move there? Thank you. Could you do that again, please?
Oh, it is. Oh God, I can't stand up. Tearsy.
Still not very happy.
No. I don't know why it's that door that bothers him more than anything. That's the bit that really annoys him, is this door being here.
So he's probably used to just gone straight through.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it shouldn't look like that, it should be a lot bigger anyway. But this is the bit that really annoys him, is this door, because that should all be open. That wall shouldn't be there, that door shouldn't be there, that should all be open. That's the bit that's annoying him. More than anything. I mean, the whole thing's wrong, but that bit really bugs him.
If you're angry about what they've done, really let them.
I said it's not anger, it's frustration.
Yeah, if you're frustrated and that, you must have a little bit of anger as well. Really bang on something to show your anger.
Okay, apparently I'm leaving the room.
You're leaving the room.
Yep.
Okay, don't go so far. Be careful. Yeah, Richard can go in holler and that. He can go pretty deep.
It's very good.
Sorry?
It's very good in here.
Very?
It's very cold and good, like it's
Yeah, that's a beautiful place. Well, there's quite a bit of screaming at the vaults, was there? Oh dear. Ouch. That's why I always feel that somebody should record and that. They've got something to record and go on. They've got a copy of that. I know I want to see someone really go for it at Langard, which will go in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, steps up. Well done.
Where about this end?
House Martins.
Yes, house Martin. One step in the house Martin.
Mine a step in the kitchen, Martin.
It's another step Martin.
Whereabouts we doing
Right,
it?
where are we going?
In front of the fireplace.
Fireplace.
In front of the
Okay.
fireplace.
Yeah. So I hear we had a possession in the vaults then.
Oh, did they?
Very nasty by all accounts.
Oh, I don't know, Kettle. We've been in the other room. I'll find out when we get back up.
Ladies just joined us.
Please no absence.
Yeah.
Are you right, my lovely?
I'm good.
There's another one here. There's another chair. Anyone wants it behind you? Have you got enough chairs there? There's your glass. Rightio. Let's see if we can get that creaking. Are you okay now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Was it you that got the
I hated it. Yeah, and I left.
Good on you.
Yeah, thank you very much. I left my husband in there.
What happened?
The Scott was describing someone that was like a snake on the floor,
Yeah.
and that for me, I'm out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Scott,
Oh,
bless
now
him.
I would have been more intrigued with that.
Yeah, okay. So that won't.
Place my love.
Yeah.
We let them know
So
the
I really want to sit in that chair again.
What chair? Yeah, you can go back in there, Kettle.
No, I mean in the vault.
Oh, well, do you know what? We actually used to be able to let you guys have your alone time and spread it across with the vaults as well. We're not allowed to anymore. We've got the house.
Right.
Why is that going so
That's the
weird?
one. Yeah.
Just leave it.
I don't know what's going on with that. It's been like this all night and it doesn't do that.
Somebody's affecting it, aren't you?
Yeah, it was.
Right.
Come on, feet.
Edward,
Last chance.
he just says, nope, don't want to know.
Right, come on, let's get this table moving like we did last time.
Oh, it's just us for you.
I'll let you, yeah, see if we can get it going. Come on, spirits, come forward. Move this table. Can you light the ball up on the table? You are fantastic in here. There's lots of energy. Use the energy, light the ball up, move the table. I'm Tash.
I'm Jill.
I'm Martin.
I'm Vicky.
And I'm Peter.
Now you know who we are, and we mean you no harm. Come forward with your energy and move the table, please.
Show us that you can do what you did earlier. Move the table.
There's something splashing on there.
Come forward, Spirit. Use our energies. Take all our energies and use them to move the table. Come forward, spirits.
Come on, spirit. Come forward. Move this table.
I'm going to sort of see if I can find Richard.